I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to change the thumbnail for a YouTube video using the YouTube Studio website. Step 1. Open a web browser, navigate to studio.youtube.com, and then sign in to your YouTube account if you're not signed in already. You'll land on your YouTube Studio home screen. Step 2. Click Content in the menu on the left side of the screen. You'll see a list of all of the YouTube videos you've posted to your account. Step 3. Hold your cursor over the specific video you want to change the thumbnail for and then click the Edit icon, which looks like a pencil. The video details screen for that video opens. Step 4. Make sure Details is selected on the left side of this screen. Scroll down the Details screen until you get to Thumbnail. Step 5. Hold your cursor over your current YouTube video thumbnail and then click the vertical ellipses that shows up on it. Click Change in this menu. A window opens where you can choose the new image file from your computer that you want to use as the thumbnail for this video. Step 6. Click to select your new thumbnail image file and then click Open. You'll now see your new thumbnail displayed in the thumbnail section. Step 7. Click Save. Your newly added thumbnail will be displayed for this YouTube video going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.